monitoring. Well, you don't monitor.
I'm surprised.
What's the proof for not monitoring people's account in this country?
Abuja from Mamu Nyama Kwaba at the Bagana and nsUlting so. But I'm on this like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time, videos of this nature, also submit to my cabinet. So watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President Amasaman also TikTok or comment section. But be about we from Mr. President Amasaman also. Ko yin na dream say that should be ano. The between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana for nyina ho ato. Ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that should be na. The be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a. Ho be chiro pa. The moment I hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say Adorye retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Mommy enko is here.
Monitoring. Well, you don't monitor.
I'm surprised.
What's the proof for not monitoring people's account in this country?
I'm surprised. I'm surprised.
I don't know.
What are you talking about?
People's name. Exactly. When we take you on and take you to court.
Was it not the
president was monitoring people's account?
I am saying that. I am saying that.
You mentioned.
Oh, please withdraw that statement. Stop that.
Withdraw that statement. Stop it. You have to withdraw that statement.
I am saying that.
Who
is the state? Who is the state?
No.
Who is the state? This is not the president.
You mentioned.
Who is the state? Who controls the state?
Withdraw that statement.
He's the head. He's the head.
Withdraw that statement.
He's the head. But I doubt he's going to.
You said a proof.
You cannot do this thing.
You said a proof.
Stop it.
Withdraw that statement.
Was the Kufa not the president?
Okay,
was it not the president?
Do you mean that the Kufa
was it not the president? Was it the Kufa who appointed?
Was it a Kufa or the government?
Oh, please.
Yes, withdraw that statement.
I will not withdraw.
Okay,
I am saying it.
Then face it in court. Face it in court.
Go to court.
That's fine.
No, go to court. Was the Kufa not president?
When you accept.
So when I said the president was monitoring, what
Akufo-Addo was monitoring.
Oh, please stop it.
Akufo-Addo was monitoring.
Stop it.
You will get
you cannot go.
You go and defend it in court.
Please go to court. I will follow you there. What are you talking about?
No.
You serious issue this one.
My question is that
because the understanding we want people to get is that it's not that maybe the president had come with, or he had some.
What I mean is that
yes,
these states cannot be just there like that. Why do we arrest people on money laundering? How do they get to know? That is what I want to tell you. That every money coming to anywhere. I'm saying that. Who is the state? Who is the state?
No.
Who is the state? This is not the president.
You mentioned
who is the state? Who controls the state?
Withdraw the statement. He's the head. He's the head.
Anywhere. It's not somewhere. What are you talking about?
So
okay.
There's something that I don't want to mention to break down some of the security issues. Like you see your face here. What are you talking about?
Let's go to
state.
When you
you know that there's always that disassociation. It is a constant thing that matters.
If you can sue me,
but you had him. I said withdraw.
What's a Kufa not the president of this country?
You drag him to be there.
What's a Kufa not the president of this country?
Because I was
talking about.
I didn't hear you ask him to withdraw.
I did.
You did it?
I did.
No, I've not
asked
heard
him.
it.
I said the president?
No, you have not asked him to withdraw.
I have. He said he will not withdraw.
You know why he's doing that?
Why?
You quietly. When Akufo-Addo was being disgraced, where were you?
Director,
no, don't address Kujo.
Where were you?
Don't address me. Director, address me.
We must.
You people should try me.
Director, what I'm saying is
that we must proceed.
Director, what I'm saying is
because of you.
Yeah.
Why?
Am I not big enough? Okay.
Because of who? Continue. Take back the charges.
I am not going to do it.
Let's move on to the next topic.
Oh, just stop doing that.
He said you.
I am not going to do it.
I said Kojo is a problem.
Don't go to court. I am ready for you people.
Why am I going to court?
I am ready for you people.
Director, continue to withdraw.
You people.
Why would I?
I said, don't try me in this country. No people will see.
Director, continue to redraw.
No people will see. And so hot. And so hot.
Director,
their lawyers are watching so hot.
Director, wait.
Do you know what I want to do to them?
Director, I'm saying that there are two ways. You withdraw it on the platform. Maybe when you get outside, you can issue the same thing. And then, because I feel you have something you're standing on. I don't know if you understand. And I'm curious too.
Maybe I'm not someone that they can threaten and...
Director, so you withdraw
I cannot be...
They can go and fight outside.
Yeah, withdraw here on this table. Let's withdraw. I'll escort you outside. We can...
Yo, because of multimedia, I take Nanado's name out of it.
What do you want for? Assembly. One farmer sanitation bill. Anyawa. Sa sanitation for this sika. Ya kwa loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nyehwe. Na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anyawa. Sako hwe no sako shi ta. You show ton na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa wo Pad. Saka wide. Who is a Pad na na be ye bibia mo.
About 15 minutes, you can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them.
How long have you been waiting?
Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him. Amasaman. Abani say Otobama Bunina na Aqua. Whoever catastrophe or who got someone or who comes again. This is a density. Uka Kobape, Ushos in Abu, and the one who Omoya Maya and Yada baby.
That flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him. Amasaman. Abani say Otobama Bunina na Aqua. Whoever catastrophe or who got someone or who comes again. This is a density. Uka Kobape, Ushos in Abu, and the one who Omoya Maya and Yada baby. This is Omaya baby. Said this thing by ya be one that ya be Rochina.
Imagine no for 4 hours in here. Me free fear and pass 6:30. A quack I think 9 or 10. And then a quaba copa Adorye for Namso every day. Over quiet away so I was so do Amasaman. I was over 30 minutes. Uber do Amasaman 2 hours 30 minutes. Then I am and Okratisa, a quite a camucho from my now Daba for yes, young Quajuma. Negative come away, I didn't yama. Nam taxes are Homuti and Musumusani, the Amubajina Mudi and Muda Scandia Mudi, Yenim, Munia Quanamaya. Say insurance, Daba for your insurance, your license. Make account, road account, Sikabia, one would be what Daba for. Still, a coin, and any almost Yabemo my way. Baby, I be was here 5 city, I bet 20 cities. And also, the police in this side, no accident driver, no do. Or Chiano Pepper will be a Juma, which you bet my catcher was a Ebia, my Miscabito, Ebia, battery. Now, government, you know, Ebia battery, no, and I said, let's know who you know, government to me, Mamma, and to be a driver for your young father, and your Quano, your demonstration, a bino, and one man, one may acquire my own way to my
Abuzian. No more kwasia pam bressing ye wotie no. NDC for no mobile Captain Smart pass on be 20 TV so no one chan tronya propaganda on cansem who won't dia temono. Omom bro. Omom bressing Ghana for na they think say Captain Smart no niminyansa bi. Na o kan okra nunti womutie no. Omo no omo bre. Ghana for na omo tie Captain Smart no. Omo no omo bre. Now you see about to renchema I see one crime man tem 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually woman kwa. Tiensem hunu ne nkwasiasema Captain Smart kwatena TV so e kan. Hwe no uwi abra ne nkanya ansem nkyere no.
De to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no. Eye nipa bone sama NPP fo di o man yi. Hwe nipa do NPP fo ma o mo.
Zene da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Kwa ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we ya. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, the active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na person here number of hospitals you person is intimate because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say here hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan say na no me nyina be ya. This can de wasa botumi we say oh I mean say we say people for akonfo. Name ma akonfo to ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. Akonfo to ma facilitate me so be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem okeke mu kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Politicians nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Market women no nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa and I feel them watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi me na me go catch you radio drama ni ma say all members come to one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey radio drama ni mama ko gina say enkanfo mu gafo catch up say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia. And I gafo say okay me beto aba na ma boom boom. Mo to aba ma kinki government etimi
Say dey ko ye kra dey menu now to me who letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region. Na me say fiams Remona Chapa ya hype say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwe any letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff Emanam 1. Which is never true.
Onye
juma order. And Onye Juma order. Amanam 1 for the first time Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say oh, the paneboa.